Hey guys, this is Ketosis vlog number 17, the 17th of January 2017. Yeah, good day. Not much change really. I just had a nice steak with some garlic butter. I thought I'd treat myself and yeah, very tasty. Enjoyed it very much. Just a bit of broccoli and some lettuce and yeah, some oil on the lettuce. So getting the fats in again. Yeah, very tasty, very nice. And just my hair's a little bit messy. Yeah, I was just reading up on the different kinds of fats. So there's three types of fats. There's saturated, monosaturated, and polyunsaturated, I believe. So I was just curious about the difference between them, but it's quite yeah, it's kind of to do with the chemistry. So it's kind of yeah, it's I found out, but it doesn't really mean much to me, if you know what I mean. So saturated is saturated with hydrogen, and mono unsaturated, not sure, but that has a double bond chemically, and polyunsaturated that has more than one double bond. So yeah, that doesn't really mean much to me or you probably. But just reading up on it, just trying to make this thing a bit more interesting. I got to fill out the rest of the days I committed to doing it. So yeah, but saturated fat is the one that people have always said. Oh, and saturated fat is the one that's it's solid at room temperature, like coconut oil and animal fat, and the other ones are liquid at room temperature. So that's more kind of tangible difference, I suppose. But yeah, so saturated fat was the one everybody, a lot of experts always said to really limit. But with I think studies are finding now that actually it's not as bad as originally thought. So things like good quality butter, grass-fed butter from grass-fed cows, I should say, rather than grass-fed butter. That's confusing. But yeah, so that's what I've been trying to focus on, and plus with the coconut oil as well. Like when you cook with it, it's got a high smoke point, which means it doesn't get damaged. Like the oil, once it gets damaged, it's not so great for our bodies. I believe it produces carbon, which isn't particularly good for us. In high amounts, I think over a long time, it's kind of a bit carcinogenic. But not in a normal diet, you wouldn't eat much. But that's why I like to use coconut oil, because it's yeah, it's good at high heat, high smoke point. So that's it. That's the vlog for today. I hope it isn't boring. See you guys tomorrow.